So I recently got sent out this hidden camera detector, and today we're going to be doing a quick test of this. I have a camera off to the side and we're going to do a test here on the table and see if we can find it with this device. But this device can actually do a lot more than just find cameras. It actually can also prevent tracking and find trackers. So if you guys are ever paranoid or worried about people watching you, or if you guys travel a lot and you're just trying to be safe, this might be something to look into. So anyways, looks like it charges with a USB-C. So it's nice you don't have to worry about batteries, and most likely your phone charges with the same exact cable. We also get a lanyard with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. And this is pretty small, so having a lanyard should help me not lose this. So anyways, let's go ahead and see if it is charged up. And it is charged up, so that's cool. Right now it does say it's in camera detection mode, so let me go ahead and change up the angle of the camera to give you guys a closer look of how this device works. All right, so up top, if we press this, we have infrared detection, signal detection, magnetic field detection, AI detection, vibration alarm, SOS alarm, setting mode, language, and now we're back to the camera mode. And if you guys look through the lens, that's what you guys are gonna see. It has this red lens to it. So we're actually gonna go to the signal detection mode. That's what they said to use for wireless cameras like this one right here. So when we get really close to the camera, we could see the spike. So it's going all the way up to the max here. So it's even ringing when I get that close, letting me know that it is detecting something. So that's pretty cool. All the other modes have different settings here as well. So you could go through here and it will detect magnetic fields, which would be good for trackers. We have the AI detection, and we could just let that run all the time basically. And we have different modes right here as well. Now, if we go all the way back to the camera detection, we have different modes. We have constant on, we have slow flash, fast flash, and then constant on again. So this will just help you find any cameras that could be around the house. You guys will look through here with the red light and look for any infrared reflections. But overall, really cool product, easy to use, and it came pre-charged. So if I was about to go on a trip tomorrow, I wouldn't even have to worry about charging it. So anyways, if you guys are looking for a hidden camera detector, this is a really cool one to look into, and that's it for my super quick review.